Samsung Galaxy J6, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here restart and tap restart again. Now when the phone goes black, you need to start holding power key and volume up. Right now, keep holding both keys, power key and volume up. Release them as soon as Samsung Galaxy J6 logo pops up. And now you can use the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to choose wipe data factory reset, press power key to confirm it, scroll down to choose yes and press power button to choose it. Alright, the device is wiping the all personal data. As soon as Android system recovery pops up on the screen, let's start pressing power key to reboot system now. Now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, the welcome panel pops up, so that's it, everything went well. As you can see, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.